Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So this is an updated review for my Beautyforever wig. Really quick and easy to install. And then I'll also show you an alternative that you can try for the Halloween wreath if the other one's too long. Alright you guys, so really quick update. This is day 2 of me wearing my Beautyforever headband wig. Love this curl pattern. So cute. Headband attached. Easy as 1 2 3. Yesterday all I did was take my wig off, just put on this, and I put my bonnet on. Really quick, really easy, and you see my edges are still laid from yesterday. So let's put this back on. Look at the curls. I haven't wet this hair. I haven't done anything. These are the curls from yesterday. Love it. So in this video, really quick, I'm going to try on the headbands that I was sent with this wig. And the good thing about the headbands that they sent, you can tie them and adjust them how you like, you know. Or you can even bring like the bow part to the front if you want to wear it like this, you know. Give it a little extra oomph. Cute. Can't go wrong with this one. I mean, hey. Ooh, this one's really cute. And I like how it looks like, you know, in a little messy bun too. I like that. Alright, so the last thing is, like, when you wear these headbands, you can easily just take some of this hair and like push it over, so it's kind of like the fold over method. It kind of look like it's kind of like a side part. You can tell that I have more to this side than this side. That's what I'm saying. That's cute. And look, you can't see any tracks. You can't see any tracks even with me like separating the hair like this. It's not noticeable at all. It's really thick. It's really full. The tracks are really close at the top. This is a lot of hair. Like, I love the curl pattern. Let me know what you think about this look and this curl pattern and this wig. Okay, sis? Let me know. Here are my edges from yesterday, and y'all know I got this kunta kente kind of edges here, all this kind of going on up here, and look at this. Okay, so yeah, look at my edges. Boom. Okay, and all I did was just wrap my hair, put a scarf on it, and my edges are still down. So this wig is so easy and so convenient. Like, fix your edges one time, and then the next day when you wake up, boom, you ain't got nothing to do but throw your wig back on, and if you want, put on a headband. Easy. 1 2 3, girl. And y'all see the texture of this hair? Oh my god, so pretty. Alright you guys, so definitely let me know what you think about this headband wig. As you can see, it was really easy to work with. Now let's get into the wreath. I'm starting off with 4 garlands, 2 of the purple and 2 of the orange, and then I have this spider as well as the wreath. All of this came from Dollar Tree. So I will go ahead and tie the first garland on, and then I actually use one of the little wrapper things. Wrap it around my hand to make it easier to just go around. So this the little wraparound thing I put on the ends of the garland so that it will stay. And then I went ahead and started with the orange just like this. That's how I got it to stay. And then just take it and wrap around my hand so it'll be easier to just go around the wreath. Y'all, this wreath took me all of 10 minutes to do. It was super easy. I think it's a really cute, something simple that anybody can do. So that's all I'm doing is putting that little fuzzy, what is it called, wire on there. And then tying both of those. So you can leave it just like this. That's cute, simple. Or you go ahead and do like I'm doing, just take another little item from Dollar Tree, whether it's this or that word thing, whatever, and just put that in the middle. So I just tied that on with one of the wire things And now I'm just taking this sign from my other wreath. Click the link down below to check that out. And that's added that on there. And then I have this little thing from Walmart. That's the only thing I got from Walmart, and it was still $1. And just put that right there at the top. I thought that was really cute. Done it in like less than 10 minutes. Put that on the door. Yeah. So let me know what y'all think about this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.